I can't do all the work. All right? I can't. I have to supervise. And what I do is supervise the supervisors, right? You know, and get involved in the dailies of other things too that are important also for you guys. But these people have instructions, have ways of doing it. They consult me all the time. When you guys ask questions, unless it's a simple, question that they know, they're instructed to call me and to let me know. And I think some of you, that Herman or Chris, has put them on the phone, put me on the phone, has called me on his cell phone and said, here, talk to me. And I will, unless, I'm doing something, unless I'm playing poker or something. But no, I'm kidding. What I'm saying is I'm available all the time. I'm just not all the time available. Because sometimes I'm with you. You need me. I'm with her doing what she has to do. So you're going to have to wait a little bit. That's all. Okay? But we'll take care of you. But you got to tell us. You got to tell us. Because when the problems come, we're set and ready for them. And these things that I give you, all those forms, read them, use them, because those are bulletproof. After many years of litigation, many years of problems, bulletproof. Okay? These are the things like those assignments. God, you guys have bad assignments. Damn, use mine. This is about the 10th time I've done it. Use mine. It's bulletproof. Okay? It is. It has just enough and not too much, which is what it's all about. Okay? And guys, when you have problems, are you two married? No? No? Are you married? Okay. Are you married? If you have a problem and need a divorce, call me. I'm your lawyer. Okay? If you guys have a problem with somebody that isn't paying you of something else, call me. I am your lawyer. I'm your lawyer. I'm your lawyer. I'm your lawyer. I'm not your PIP lawyer. I am your lawyer. I am the guy that's going to get the right guy to do the job for you if I can't do it. Because I don't do divorces. But I'll get you the right attorney. I'll get you the one that is not going to kill you on the price, that is not going to be abusive on that, and that is going to do his job in a professional and ethical manner. Okay? I'm your lawyer. Joe's your lawyer. Adriana is your lawyer, as long as they work. Okay? I want you to think of Gonzalez and Associates as a guy. Were you guys ever given the plaques? Yeah? Okay. What that means is I'm your lawyer. Not only for the insurance companies. Okay? And I really am very adamant about this, guys. Really very adamant. Because in Miami, I've seen a lot of my clients make a lot of mistakes on a lot of other things. But some of them learned. Remember I was doing the foreclosure defense and all that stuff? And I still do it and stuff like that. They came to me. They came to me. And I've resolved a lot of their issues. Okay? They came to me. And I was happy because I am your lawyer. Please understand that. I am not going to not take your call. This isn't about a relationship of just this. Okay? This is not just this. This is, I will help you. If you call me, I'll be there. Joe will be there. Mariano will be there. All my other lawyers will be there. Okay? Any other questions? Did I miss anything? The survey. Joe,
just to follow up on what Neil was saying, it's a war out there. want you to know that we're working hard for you guys. We're there at 8 o'clock in the morning, we're there till 9 o'clock at night, and we're working on Saturdays. We're adding a new attorney in the Orlando office. This is our second year in Orlando, and our second year has been more successful than our first year. And we intend on getting more successful. But we need your help and we need your cooperation. We want you to think of us as your lawyers, but also as your friends, because we are truly the ones that are in your corner fighting your battles. So pick up the phone, call the Orlando office for any reason. You can always get a hold of me. I always return my phone calls. We want you to rely on us so that we can be more successful in bringing your cases. But the flip side of that also is you guys have to ratchet up your efforts on your end as well. Like Neil was talking about the medical records and diagnosing your case and keeping good records. You all need to keep looking to improve your business because they're after you, and you got to stay one step ahead of them.
Remember I told you there was a doctor that voted for us. It was Dr. Renaud. If you go online, you can find his email. You might want to say thank you to him. All right, he would appreciate it. Renaurt is his name. And he was the key, because he's a doctor. He saw that PIP statute. He said, this is no good. This hurts doctors.
Spell it again.
D-O. It's a D-O.
Spell it again.
Renaurt. Now, I forgot to say one thing, and from now on this applies. When I speak to you here in these seminars, the stuff I give you in these seminars, all of this is not to be discussed with anybody. All of this, if you go to a deposition, you never mention these seminars. This is attorney-client privilege. They cannot ask you what we spoke about. They can't ask me. This is privileged information. You are my client. I am your lawyer. It's sort of like when the guy kills somebody, tells the lawyer, I killed him. That's privileged. And they can never ask the priest or the lawyer what he said. So be clear, because I give you like really, really nuts and bolts kind of stuff, all right? And I also mention names of attorneys and names of insurance companies and stuff like that, so that you know the real stuff that's going on. This is all privileged. So, and it is your privilege, not mine, it's yours. You own that privilege, okay? So be clear that what we discuss here is amongst ourselves. Just like when you come and talk to me privately, it stays there. All right, it stays there. Okay. Yes, sir.
My question is, I don't know if you spoke before I arrived about that. It's about IME. So the insurance is going crazy by just calling the patient off so early and just say they don't need no more treatment because they are the doctor working on for them. So
okay, you know what? Throughout the years, early IMEs, as a matter of fact, Allstate had a fancy name for it. Early assessment, something like that. Allstate was one of the first ones that did that. Actually, I remember years ago, they actually set a person for an IME that had not treated one day yet. But because the patient said, I think I'm hurt and I'm going to go see a doctor, the next day they received a letter for an IME a week later. IMEs are condition proceedings. They must be gotten to. But it doesn't mean that you are required to go right away when they say. Your patient could say, no, I can't make it that day, make it another day, and stuff and things like that. Unfortunately, all right, what they're going to do is they're going to set it twice, and they're not going to set it the third time. That time, if the person don't go the third time, second time, they're going to deny the claim. Okay? I'm going to tell you what it's the instrument most deadly to us that they really have in the PIP statute. Why is it the most deadly? Because the moment I get an IME cutoff, and I cut you off, I don't have to pay. I mean, I can get sued, and I win a lot of those cases. Because it's one doctor against the other. You understand? And so they really don't have all that much. It's a 50-50 kind of proposition.
And also,
we
don't they
win.
see that the IMEs are being paid by the insurance company to this doctor? You know, this.
No, they use a third
Third-party?
party vendor who
Selects
has
doctor.
these doctors and supposedly arbitrarily, but geez, you know, I see the same doctors for State Farm that are different than the same doctors for Allstate. I mean, they have their
Correct.
preferred doctors. This is something that, truthfully, okay, is difficult, and it's always been difficult, all right? Because that is a real tool for them. It is the ultimate tool to have. But they're doing it now. They'll slow up again. I'm telling you, they do that.
They're still going to cut the benefits anyway, so if you say they're better because
Yeah.
I
go,
think they
you know, and then
do
we'll defend it.
What they do is they're going to cut the benefits off anyway, but have the person go to the second one.
And you can set that second one up 2 to 3 weeks.
2 weeks,
maybe,
3 weeks, yeah.
And still treat for that.
So you treat for that.
And then
But
you
they're
have
going to cut you off.
another week and a half.
But if the person doesn't go, that's it. You don't. Let me tell you that the rule in IME is this. I have to pay, the insurance company must pay, for any bills that I have in hand prior to the IME. All right? Right. So I have to pay if I have them in hand. Okay? So get out that first billing to start. Get it out quickly. I don't like the 7. I understand the notice of initiation of treatment, and it gives you all this time, but I would send it out 35 days. There's no reason, if you are a provider of the basic medical care, that you should avail yourself of that initiation of treatment. Who that serves is for the x-ray guy,
For the diagnostic.
all right, that it's a $500 bill. If he sends it before you guys, he ain't gonna get paid at all. That's who serves the purpose. But you guys should be doing this within 30 days.
You know, then
That means by the time they get an IME there, you might have even your second billing already done. Do you understand? It's just that you guys sit for 70 days. That's more than 2 months. The IME's been set, the EUO's been set, and you still haven't filed the bill yet. You haven't billed them. I have always recommended everybody, guys, it's just a matter of changing the procedure so that you can get that bill out in 30 days. Okay? Now, send your initiation of treatment letter. That will cover you for the ones that you couldn't get them out. Okay, you still send that letter within 20 days, but still get the billing out in 30 days. Now, sometimes you screwed up and you sent it on the 32nd day. Well, but you sent your initiation of treatment letter, so you got the time. You're covered. So it took you 40 days. You couldn't get it out in 30 days, whatever. The lights went out, the computer broke, whatever reason. But you did your initiation of treatment letter, so you got 70 days. But it doesn't mean wait for 70 days. Do it right away. Get those bills in there. Now they have to pay those quickly. Whatever they do, they already got that. So they're going to have to deal with them.